So we're going to talk how to post to Reddit subreddits. That is different little chapters in that book called Reddit. It's a global community. I encourage you to share your text, your images, your links, even a poll, and this is how you do it. So you navigate to the subreddit you want, and you can use the search bar and look up particular topics, and then click on the name that you want to add to and go to that page. Then find the Create Post button that's usually on the top right, and you want to look at some of the rules before you post. Make sure you're playing cricket, that you're doing it the right way that they want to accept. So then you just put in the title, put in the content, and bazinga, it's done. Be sure that you followed the rules, because sometimes you'll get this post was deleted because whatever, what rule it is. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.